What if I told you that one decision could save you months, maybe even years of waste time? Right now, thousands of people are stuck in niche limbo, jumping from ideas to ideal, never gaining tractions. And honestly, it's killing their success before they even start. But today, you are different. In this video, I'm going to give you the exact system I use to find my perfect niche so you can stop guessing and start growing. Before we dive in, let me be super honest with you. I waste a lot of time when I started my online business journey. I went down so many rabbit holes, tried so many different things, and it was frustrating. Not only did I not make any money, but I also lost confidence in myself. So everything I'm sharing today comes from my own mistake and what I've learned along the way. My goal is simple: help you to avoid the same mistake I make. The passion myth. Okay, let's start with something that might surprise you. You do not need to be passionate about your niche to make money from it. I know everyone tell you follow your passion and do what you love. But here's the truth. Passion is nice to have, but it's not the most important thing. Don't get me wrong, you need to have some interest in what you are doing. Otherwise, you will get bored really quickly. But there are three things that are way more important than passion when choosing your niche. If you can find something that has all three of these things, plus you're passionate about it, that's what I call the sweet spots. That's gold right there. But even if you are not super passionate about it, you can still build a successful business if you have these three things. So, what are they? The first key, demand. The first thing that more important than passion is demand. This means people actually want what you are selling. They are actively looking for it. They are willing to pay money for it. Let me give you an example right now. AI is huge. Businesses everywhere want to learn how to use AI. Regular people want to understand AI better. There's massive demand for AI related products and services. But let's say your niche is how to rank your website on Yahoo search. A few people might still search for it, but the demand is tiny. Why? Because more than 90% of searches happen on Google. Less people cares about Yahoo anymore. You will be targeting a shrinking audience while ignoring the real opportunity. So, how do you find out if there's demand for your niche? Here are some simple ways. Method number one, use Answer the Public. This is a search tool that shows you what people are actually searching for on Google. You can try it free for a few days, then you get a couple of free searches each week. Just type in your niche idea and see how many people are searching for it. Method number two, ask AI, but you have to make sure you do it right. Here's something important. Don't just ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT doesn't have up-to-date search data. Use something like Perplexity instead. It's free and has access to current data. Method number three, check on social media. Go to Reddit, Facebook group, YouTube, and TikTok. Look at what people are talking about. Read the comments. People love to share what they are struggling with. The key is to do your research. Don't just guess. Make sure people actually want what you are thinking of selling. The second key, profitable topics. The second thing's more important than patient is making sure your niche fall under what I call profitable umbrella topic. There are three topics that humans are hardwired to spend money on. These come from something called Maslow hierarchies of needs. Topic number one, health. People will always spend money on their health because they know they need to be healthy to enjoy life. This includes physical health, mental health, fitness, nutrition, all of it. Topic number two, wealth. People want to improve their financial situation. They know that if they invest in learning about money, it usually has a long-term positive impact. These include making money, saving money, investing, starting a business. Topic number three, relationships. Humans are social beings. Even introverts like me need good relationships. This could be with your spouse, work colleagues, parents, kids, or even pets. Now, this doesn't mean you can't make money outside these three areas, but these trees will always be the most profitable because they tap into basic human needs. Let me give you some example for health, weight loss, anxiety management, productivity, organizations. For wealth, digital products, side hustles, investing, and budgeting. For relationship, dating advice, parenting tips, communication skills, pet trainings. Those are good niche. I actually have a list of 150 profitable niche that I will link in the descriptions below. You can grab one that interests you and start there. The third key, your story. The third thing more important than passion is having a life experience, your story. Here's what I mean. You need to be able to tell people how you went from point A to point B. You were struggling with something, you found a solutions, and now you are in a better place. This is called transformations. And people buy transformations, not informations. Let me share my story as an example. When I started, I was selling on Etsy. I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't have a proper niche. It took me a whole year to figure things out and start making consistent money. I do know exactly how to make money with digital products. I can teach that because I've experienced on it before. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of those people you want to help. Think about this way. If you are at level 5 and someone else is at level 1, you can still help them get to level 2 or 3. You don't need to be at level 10. Actually, sometimes it's better not to be the top experts. Why? Because when you are too advanced, beginner can't relate to you anymore. Your prices are too high, you don't have time for them. So think about your experience. What have you overcome? What have you learned? What problem did you solve in your own life? That's your story. And that's what people will connect with. The multi passionate trap. Now, let me address something I see all the time. Maybe you are thinking, but I'm interested in so many things. I like fitness, fashions, mental health, cooking, travel. How do I choose just one? I get it. I'm multi passionate too. There are so many things I could talk about. But here's the truth, you can be the multi passionate as a person, but it doesn't work for business. Here's why. If you have a YouTube channel and you post about everything, makeup, hair, interior design, business, whatever, you will attract all different type of people. The people interested in makeup might not care about business. The people interested in interior design might not care about your cooking content. This create two big problems. You will struggle to sell any single product because it's only appeal to part of your audience. It's mess up your algorithm because the platform doesn't know what your channel is about. Instead, here what you should do. Keep all that multi-passionate energy in your personal life, but focus your business on one area. Choose the area that either the most profitable or the one where you have the strongest transformation story. You can still have some variety within your niche. I talk about digital product, but I also cover Pinterest, Canva, and YouTube growth. They are all related to the same type of person, someone who want to start an online business and make money. How to choose your niche? Okay, so how do you actually choose? Here are 4 questions to ask yourself. Question number 1, what problem have I solved in my own life? Think about challenges you have overcome. Maybe you learn graphic design and you start with a side hustle. Maybe you learn to lose weight, save money. What's your transformation story? Question number 2, what do people already ask me for help with? Your friends and family are great indicators. What do they come to you for advice about? What do they see you as the expert on? Question number 3, what could I talk about for hours without getting bored? Even though passion isn't everything, you do need some interest. What topic make you light up? What could you research and talk about easily? Question number 4, what falls under health, wealth, or relationship? Remember our 3 profitable umbrellas? Try to connect your answer from question 1 to 3 to one of these areas. The sweet spot is when you find something that has demand, which is people want it, fall under health, wealth, or relationship. You have a transformation story about it. You are interested in talking about it. Then congratulations, you find your sweet spots. Real examples and Q&A. Let me give you some real examples from people I heard before. Example number one, Canva template designer. Someone came to me saying, I love design, but I don't know coding. I tried selling logo, social media posts, and ebook covers. Nothing stuck. My advice is niche down to example, Pinterest pin templates for coaches using Canva. Coaches need consistent pins and they will pay for done for you designs. You are not selling templates, you are selling them times and result. Why this is working? Because we target a hungry audience, which is the coaches, and they can be recurring clients as well. Example number two, digital product newbies. A follower asks, I want to sell digital product, but I don't know where to start. I have involved in printables, PRR, and Notion templates, but it's overwhelming. And my advice will be start with one hyper specific product. Example, Instagram carousel templates for rentals because rentals need content daily and you can upsell them on Canva tutorial later. Why this is working? Because you solve a repetitive pain point. Rentals hate designing and it's easy to create in Canva. It's scalable to others niches. Example, fitness coach or therapist. Example number three, online course struggle. Someone asked, I built a course about social media marketing, but no one bought it. I cover everything Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and my advice will be your topic is too broad. Pivot to how to write a viral LinkedIn post for B2B coaches. B2B coaches pay well, and LinkedIn is underserved compared to Instagram. Why this is working? Because the niche is in demand. B2B coach need leads. Alright, let's wrap this up. Here's what I want you to remember. Passion is nice, but demand profitable topics and your story are more important. You don't need to be an expert, just a few steps ahead. Focus on one niche for your business even if you are multi-passionate. Do your research to make sure there's actual demand. So remember to answer those 4 questions I gave you. Write down your answer and look for the pattern. Find that sweet spot where everything connects. And if you're feeling overwhelmed, that's normal. I have a free blueprint that breaks down exactly how to start your digital product business step by step. I've linked in the descriptions below. If you found this helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. I'm here to help you to avoid the mistake I made and get you making money faster. I'll see you in the next video. Happy creating and happy designing.